Do you want to study less and score more? It's not magic, it's strategy. Let's dive in. We've all been there, staring at a textbook for hours on end, only to forget everything the next day. Frustrating, isn't it? The problem lies not in the quantity, but the quality of your study. That's where strategic studying comes into play. Imagine studying for just a few focused hours and retaining far more information than a whole day of distracted studying. Sounds good, right? That's the power of efficient studying. It not only helps you understand better, but also aids in retaining that knowledge longer. And let's not forget, it's a lot less stressful than pulling all-nighters. So, how does one study strategically? It's about understanding your learning style, focusing on comprehension over memorization, and taking regular breaks to rest your brain. Now that you understand the benefits of strategic studying, let's look at how you can implement it. Ready to revolutionize your study habits? Here are some steps to help you study less and score more. Let's start with setting clear study goals. Instead of cramming everything in at once, focus on what you want to learn. Think about the bigger picture. What are you trying to achieve with this study session? Are you preparing for a test, or are you trying to understand a concept? Once you have a clear goal in mind, it's easier to focus and retain information. Next, employ active learning strategies. Instead of passively reading or listening, engage with the material. Ask questions, make connections, and think critically about what you're learning. This not only helps to deepen your understanding, but also makes studying more enjoyable. Don't forget to take breaks. While it may seem counterintuitive, stepping away from your study materials can actually boost your productivity. Breaks give your brain a chance to rest and process information. Try studying in short bursts, say 20 to 30 minutes, then take a 5 to 10 minute break. This is known as the Pomodoro technique, and it's a proven method to enhance focus and retention. Lastly, review regularly. It's easy to forget what you've learned if you don't revisit the material. Regular review helps to reinforce your memory and keeps the information fresh in your mind. Try to review your notes at least once a week. You'll be surprised at how much more you remember. Remember, effective studying isn't about spending hours upon hours with your nose buried in a book. It's about studying smart, not hard. It's about setting goals, engaging with the material, taking breaks, and reviewing regularly. By following these steps, you can transform your study approach and see improvements in your grades. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We've unlocked the secret to studying less and scoring more. It's all about strategic studying, a method that focuses on understanding rather than rote memorization. By applying this approach, you're not just studying harder, but smarter. We've also delved into the steps towards efficient studying. It starts with setting clear and realistic goals, followed by creating a study schedule that works for you. Remember, consistency is key. Next, select a study method that best fits your learning style. This could be visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of taking regular breaks to avoid burnout and maintain focus. A well-rested brain absorbs information better, making your study sessions more effective. Remember, studying smart is about quality, not quantity. Use these tips to study less, score more, and enjoy your learning journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more study tips and strategies. Happy studying!